That thing, that's small. That's teeny tiny. This is my buddy Chris. He builds all my quads. Here's the victim. We're gonna put some BS in this thing. So here it is. That's it. That's the BS. Do you know why it's called the BS?
Because the whole remote ID thing is BS?
Well, yeah, but Dronetag has a sense of humor, and they named it BS because that BS stands for Basic Solution. Because they know how everybody feels about our ID. They're not the enemy. There's some BS links in my description if you want one. How much does that thing weigh?
Wow, 1.2.
That's light. Now what happens if you pile the antenna and all the other dipty-doos on there? I mean, even with the bag, just throw it on there.
Okay. Well.
Okay,
so we need these two for sure.
Right.
So with that takes it up to 2.5, give or take.
That's
whatever.
the bag. Here's the battery. So if you need a battery, what is it?
4.4.
It's nothing. They really did a good job making this teeny tiny for you. So we have yet to decide if we're going to be able to put, and I keep saying him, if he can put this on a switch. And the reason why you'd want to do that is because you want to turn it off if you're ever flying indoors with your quad and you don't want to waste power.
Power inputs ranging from 3.3 to 17 volts. So anything above 4S is a no-no.
What?
Yes.
No way.
But you can run it through one of your 5 volts regulators on the flight controller.
Okay, so it's possible to do.
It's it's a very large voltage range. Dronetag BS can feed GPS data to Betaflight flight control software and acting as a GPS module. Okay.
What does that mean for the layman?
That means that it will activate GPS control for your quad.
Okay.
So it doubles as a GPS. Very important.
Yes.
The 2 pins back here, that is not for battery.
It looks like it should be because they're large.
Exactly.
But they're not. What are they for?
I do not know. It just says, do not solder anything here.
And should we conformal coat this so that if it gets wet, it doesn't stop the RED from working? Because who would want that?
I don't know. You can power Dronetag BS directly from your aircraft if you have suitable power outputs. Using the power from the aircraft eliminates the need to use an external battery.
Will we be able to put this on a switch so that you can turn it on and off in flight, if necessary?
I'm pretty sure I can work around that.
So are you going to source the power from the flight controller?
I am going to source the power from the flight controller because if I do what I think I can do, I will be able to power it off via pit switch. We should be able to do that with this flight controller, 5 volt ground. Okay, those are your 4 for the GPS.
And I don't have GPS on mine.
No, you do not. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the pin out and we will go from there.
Okay, so we couldn't find the pit controller.
So
we can't put it on a switch on the controller, but you can.
And I believe they're only $5 and you can get them from flyhighfpv.com.
Oh. So where are we going to put this thing?
So we are going to put it right here where it says SCL, SDA, 5 volt, and ground.
I think it goes in that little case.
And then it's got the convenient little screw.
How much real estate do we have on there for this?
We've got some ample real estate.
All right.
With the enclosure, you've got 2 slots over here, and then you've got the holes. The antennas go through these holes. So when you put the antennas in, you slide the board through the slots, and
just like that.
Just like that. You've got your GPS side, and then you've got your Bluetooth side. You've got 2 separate antennas. They'll be labeled. So if you just randomly start pulling stuff out of the package,
yeah,
like I did.
All right, so the Bluetooth one is shorter.
Correct.
Okay.
TX goes to RX, RX to TX, red for power, and black for ground, although let's make sure we get the correct one in the correct slot. Got that in?
Yeah.
Put this in. And we are going to plug it in and test it first.
All right. We do have to do a firmware update.
That we do.
And that'll be done through Bluetooth. Dronetag app, link in the description, along with the Heron app.
There we go.
And we have a light.
We have a green light. What does green light mean?
I'm guessing good, because green's good. Yeah?
Device is ready. Or green LED.
So it's ready.
It is ready.
So I have a beacon and a mini, and I want to register a new one. So it's searching for it. It found it. It found the BS.
That's some BS.
Dronetag BS. Look, confirm. All right, now I've got it on here. Dronetag BS is active. I guess that's it. Is there a firmware?
Yeah, there should be a firmware update.
Firmware update. Okay. Ah.
Boom.
There we go. Download and update. Wow, this is kind of easy actually. Dronetag. You guys are
clever.
Oh man. I hope, did it brick it?
I hope not.
That would suck so hard.
We'll find out.
Yeah, the app is no go. No bueno on the app. Look at this. Dronetag isn't responding. Close app.
Reboot your
I'm going to have to reboot the phone. I hope it'll let me do the firmware again.
Oh,
We got a fan on it?
It's green.
Yep, 70.
Boom.
Oh, here we go. 100%. Your device has been updated. Excellent. Chris has decided to attach the BS to the top plate. All right, so it's all buttoned up and together. You can't really even tell it's in there except for the antennas. Now we just put it on beta fun, right? Huh? Best part. All right, we're doing a test flight, starting the Dronetag app. Oh, Dronetag app is still crashing, so that's not going to work. Let's try the Heron app. All right, let's go for test flight. Oh, I see us. Yeah, unknown operator. Yeah. Yeah, it's showing us.
There you are.
It's showing all the stuff here. Horizontal speed, unknown, altitude, unknown, height, unknown. Stupid.
But it's showing the,
no, not really. It's showing us, it says drone around 1. Then I click on this. And I bring this up. And it's not showing a lot. Yeah, this sucks. Which is good, right?
yeah, that depends on how you look at it.
So we're in compliance because it's transmitting, but it is not. Nope. Well, there you go. I'm sure Dronetag's going to have something to say about this, but I'm in compliance. So it says drone around. I'm looking at the map here. I'm zooming in. And I think it's showing the phone location because it's not showing the drone location.
But the phone wasn't exactly showing much.
Nope. Wow. Yeah, this is terrible. Well, there's a lot of trouble for nothing, but we're in compliance, so to hell with it. If you want to win a BS, then just comment below, "This is a bunch of BS," and I will pick a winner from those who commented. Yeah, boy, this app is great. This is a great app. Links to everything in the description. Thanks, Dronetag, for helping us comply. And that's it.
That's it?
Yeah. It's the end of the video, Chris. We can pack it up. If we zip tie them to the carbon fiber, would the carbon fiber interfere with the transmission?
Yes, it will. Which
All right,
is why we are not going to zip tie them to the carbon.
No, we are going to zip tie them to the carbon because we kind of want it to interfere with the...
Okay.
You may have noticed that I took off my glasses so that I can see something close to me like a firmware update or a menu. Should I start doing this, Chris? Oh, goodness, look at that.
I could pull this look off, can't I? Some of you may have noticed that we've been working on this with the props on. You should take them off whenever you're, especially if you're going to be plugging it in, right, Chris?
Yes.
But we're lazy, right?
Yeah.
And supremely confident in Chris's ability to not lacerate himself.
I don't know about all that, but
Don't f it up. We only got the one. You all right?
No pressure.
Don't f it up. Oh, I f it up. Did you f it up?
not yet. I still got another one.
Oh, boy.
So this is Chris. He's the one who builds my quads and helps out with everything and did this whole BS with the drone tag. You want to tell them about your channel and ask people to subscribe?
Yeah, I'm actually putting stuff on my channel for once.
Tell us all about it, Chris. What do you got? What do you got? Tell us all about it, man.
It's a lot of drone related stuff. Just hanging around, being goofy, builds.
Yeah. Tell us more. Give us more
Tell us more.
information.
Oh shit! Stuff like that. Oh, I'm glad my foot was not there.
Link in the description. Thanks, buddy.